In this screencast, we will talk about the steps for checking the status of a field trip request. Once you have submitted your field trip request, you will receive an email similar to this one. It says that the principal or supervisor will now review my field trip request, and once they approve it, it will route for the funding approval. The email provides the link to the field trip request status form and also gives the unique field trip ID number. To check the status of my field trip request, the first thing I want to do is copy this field trip number so that I can paste it in the box on the status request form. So we'll copy this and go to the field trip request status form. It asks what I would like to do. I want to review my submission status. If you need to make corrections on a previously submitted field trip request, you can do that also on this form. If you submitted a request that has been denied by your principal or supervisor because you needed to provide additional information on your form or change something, you can do that here using your field trip ID number. So we're going to paste the number in this box, and you want to make sure and click Tab so that all of the field trip information will automatically populate into the form. So as we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all the information that has been submitted for your field trip, and we want to come down to the bottom where we see the approval status. So in this box here, if the principal or supervisor has approved the field trip, you would see approved in this section. If the principal is still reviewing the information, it would say pending, or if the field trip has been denied, you would see that as well. In these boxes, you'll see the funding source approval status and then the overall approval status for your field trip. If for some reason you need to update information or the field trip has been denied, you will receive an email notifying you of that status. Once the principal or supervisor has changed the status of the field trip, you will receive an email notification about that as well. So once you have gotten the information you need to, you can update and resubmit your request if you needed to change anything in the form.